Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to set up an Android and iOS simulator on macOS. If you haven't already, we're going to go to the App Store and download Xcode. So go to Launchpad here, type in App Store, and let's search for Xcode. If you already have it installed, it's going to say open here. If not, install it. I'm going to open it up. Quick note, if you do have any trouble downloading it from the App Store, you can go directly to Apple and download it from their website using the link in the description. Once you have it open here, you're going to actually go to Xcode in the top left, click on Settings, and under the Components tab, you're going to see a bunch of different platforms. The one we're most concerned about is iOS, so we're actually going to click Get on that. Once the download is finished, you're going to get this pop-up. You can just close it. But you're going to want to go to this Xcode in the top left and click on Open Developer Tools, and Simulator will be an option here. So we're going to click on Simulator. We're going to go to the File, and you're going to see Open Simulator. Simulator is going to show two different options. It's going to show probably one option for the iOS version you currently have installed. I have two versions installed, so that's why I see multiple options. But if you wanted to open the simulator directly with one of these iPhone versions, you can. So I can say iPhone 16, and it's going to open the iPhone 16 simulator. It's going to start a fresh simulator, so it may take a few minutes the first time. So don't worry, it's normal for it to take some time loading up the first time. But if you wanted to create a new simulator for a specific iPhone version, you can actually go directly to the new simulator option here and select the specific one that you want. So say you want an iPhone 14 Plus, you can click that. You don't have to do anything. You can say, oh yeah, it's paired with Apple Watch, or no. You can click create. That will then create it, and that's the list. It won't open it directly right away. You will then have to go to this file section, open simulator 18.1, and select that 14 Plus. As you can see, you can have multiple simulators running at the same time. As you can see, we have two iOS versions running, 16 and 14 Plus, and both of them seem to be running perfectly fine. So now let's get into setting Android up. To set Android up, it's pretty simple as well. You're going to want to go to developer.android.com, and this will bring you directly to the home page where you can download the Android Studio version. My current version at the time of recording is Ladybug, but yours may differ. You might have to just agree to the terms and conditions here, and then put what type of Mac or Windows machine you have currently running. I'm running Apple Silicon, so I'm going to do Apple chip, and that download is going to take some time to download. Once downloaded and installed, you're going to go through the standard installation. Just select all the standard options. It's going to bring you to this screen. You're going to click on this more actions right below open. You're going to select virtual device manager. Now virtual device manager will then pop up. I currently have one device in here. You're going to want to create a device. Any device that you want, you can select from this list. Say you want a Pixel 7, you can select this option, click next, and it's going to ask you what version. You're just going to say vanilla, finish. You can name it and click finish. That's going to generate it. So now I have a virtual Pixel 7. If you want to open that, then you can also click on the play button here. Again, the first time opening it should be a little bit slower than any subsequent time that you open it. And as you can see, we now have an Android device simulated on our machine. You can swipe up, swipe down, and control all the configuration and settings in the device itself. All right. I hope you're able to start developing and get into app development and utilize these simulators to whatever your heart's content. All right. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. God bless.